Hi everyone, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in. Today in our channel, we are going to explore which is more superior, weekend shopping versus investing in the SIPs. Picture this, okay? It's a weekend and you're out shopping, alright? You spot something you don't need but can't resist. It could be a fancy coffee, a quirky keychain, or maybe yet another pair of sneakers. Sounds familiar? Now let's say you spend 500 rupees on these little treats. Feels like no big deal, right? But what if? Instead of spending that 500 rupees, you invested it just like a little treat for your future self. Let's break it down. A 500 rupees weekly SIP invested consistently could grow into 5 lakh rupees in 10 years. Keep it going for 20 years and it becomes 21 lakhs. And if you stay the course for 30 years, you would have a whopping 76 lakhs in your hands.
What?
Sounds unbelievable? It's not. That's the power of consistency and compounding combined. Now think back to that 500 rupees you spent on impulse, that quirky keychain or an overpriced latte. Will you even remember it a year later? Probably not. But that same 500 rupees invested weekly is your ticket to financial freedom. A small habit today can secure your future tomorrow. So the next time you're tempted by a weekend splurge, ask yourself, would you rather have a fleeting moment of joy today or financial peace and dreams fulfilled in the years to come? Turn your weekend spending into wealth building. Start your 500 rupees weekly SIP today. We hope you like this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such tips.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.